Future people, like I said, I want you guys to feel, to understand what is going on here. That a lot of people have given up a lot to see that this hip-hop come to reality. This year we decided to look onto people that are supporting IPOB, mostly the vibrant women that have been very involved in IPOB. We need to look at their activities and how they have been supporting IPOB. These women is something that we don't want. At the end of the day, the IPOB will neglect their struggle. These people that have been very vibrant, you can see where they speak. They have such a zeal that that you can compare them to Israeli women that carries the weapon that wanted to fight. Some of them have declared that IPOB is their life, or Biafra is their life. Some of them have actually given up a lot in order to see this struggle keep going. So when we look at the friction going on, just think about these young ladies who have been very, very, vibrant and forward in seeing that this struggle comes to reality. So whatever may be your intention in this struggle, think of these women. They are the women that have been very, very, very serious in these things, and we give them credit. I don't know about you. Sometimes I watch their program. I admire their vibrancy. I admire the way they speak. I admire the way they, they come out and speak their mind. They goes right into it, which that these ladies, they come out with all their mind and all their strength to see that this struggle keep going. I also use the opportunity to support other young girls who think that this struggle is about them. It's not about any other person, but it's about you. So you come out and support these ladies and keep doing those vibrant things that help to see that this thing being realized. I look at them. They are not, they are not after, what you say and what you didn't say. They are after one point, that we want to liberate our people from the hands of, whatever they call contracted agreement, which is now yet settled called Nigeria. So they want to make sure that a matured agreement be set and people make their rightful decision. Like Nnamdi Kanu was saying that Biafrans have to go on referendum. People will make their choice. The same thing these women are saying. Some of them even state that since the movement of IPOB, their eyes have been opened. So we need to understand this and also, help them, not to neglect them and make sure whatever may be the fractures in the authority, make sure that they are fixed. And so these women will not feel left out. You don't want to bring people, you don't want to lead people on the way and let them be slaughtered. You want to lead them on the way and bring them back home. So we want all the leaders involved to make sure that these women have been looked after. Look at them, Owa, Ife, Adobe, look at Njideka. All these people are wonderful women, I listen to them sometimes and, and like the vibrancy in them. And that vibrancy is something I encourage you guys, If you're watching us, like I said, I am in for liberty of everyone. I'm in where people can speak. I'm in where people can make their rightful choice. So I leave that to you guys to decide, so people have the right to do their own things. That's my own program. So I wish you all the best and I hope you continue.